Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will review this product. The product name is Solaray Supreme Bio Vitamin C. Okay, so you should buy this product or not. Does it really helpful, and how much time it will take to give you results? So in this video we will cover lots of information. So let's get started. So first of all, if we talk about this brand, the brand is very popular. And if we talk about this product, basically this product is rich source of vitamin C. Okay, and you know very well, like vitamin C is very helpful for your healthy immune system. And if you are facing vitamin C deficiency, then there are so many, you can say, like problems. Vitamin C deficiency, you can see over here, like these are the deficiencies. If you have vitamin D deficiency, then you will feel like scurvy problem and fatal conditions and bleeding, fatigue, tissue breaking and all. So these are the conditions. So when you take this supplement, it will help you in maintaining your immunity, and it will also boost your metabolism also. Okay, so there are so many benefits of taking you can say like vitamin C, you can say like supplement. Okay, but if we talk about like this product, if you are going to buy this product on amazon.com, then there is no problem. And if you are going to buy this product on you can say like on their official website, then there's some issues. Like the first issue, like subscription model, you can see over here there is an option like subscribe and save. So don't try to buy this product at subscription model. Okay, and if you want product or not, and if you have activated subscription, then you have to pay fees every month. Okay, so these are the things. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.